Hello little children, it's Miss Lot here today. We're gonna read another book today. This is Touch and Explore Little Parrot. Do you want to go with Little Parrot? To see what's going on and what can we touch? We use our two little hands to touching around. Okay, little parrot. Little parrot went flying under the rough and hairy coconut. Where is the coconut? Can you show me, Slot? Little parrot went flying under the rough and hairy coconut. You see that it's really rough? Here, that is really rough and hairy. I feel the little hairy and really rough here. And over the crusty golden sand. Really crunchy. Okay, you feel the sand here? Really crunchy. You can hear the sound over the scratchy golden sand. And you see, I can see a little boat over there. And I see, what can I see? I see little caterpillar and butterfly around here. Past the colorful, shiny chameleon. Really shiny. You see the shiny here? That is shiny and colorful. How many colors can you see? So many colors. Really colorful with red, with blue, with pink. Many colors. Is it right? That's this colorful and shiny chameleon. And I see some lovely spider here. Okay, and now look at the caterpillar. It's colorful too. Through the smooth and tall bamboo canes straight into, you see the bamboo here? That is really tall and really smooth. You can touch, you can feel when you're back to school, okay? That is really smooth, really tall. Oh no! A snuggling, a strappy tiger. You see the strappy tiger? You see the tiger have the teeth here. Snuggling. He opened the mouth. And that is really scary. But luckily, clever little parrot remembered his way. Back, run as fast as you can, little parrot. Okay, now let's see. Yeah! Back through the smooth, tall bamboo crane and past a colorful, shiny chameleons here. And now you see even the crunchy golden sand. Crunchy golden sand. And now under the rough here. That's its rough and hairy coconut. And home to his bright, sparkly treasure chest. You see? Wow, that is sparkly, shiny, sparkly chest. With so many golden in there. Do you think in that way? Yes. Luckily, little parrot. Can you see? Wow. Maybe it's time to say goodbye. Is it right, everyone? Goodbye everyone. Little parrot, lovely to have time with you. Bye bye. See you next time.